Hi, I'm Jordan Stopford from Cristie Software. In this video, I will provide an overview of CBMR, which is our standalone system recovery solution. CBMR can reduce the recovery time of your entire IT infrastructure from hours to minutes. CBMR offers automated system recovery across many platforms, including Windows, Linux, Solaris, and AIX. CBMR recovers entire workloads, including operating system configuration, applications, and user data, ensuring that your business operations can recover quickly after any event.
CBMR can recover systems across VMware, Hyper-V, and a wide range of cloud platforms effortlessly. Physical systems can be recovered easily to dissimilar hardware with Cristie's automatic driver insertion, eliminating manual intervention from physical machine recovery. System recovery can take place in any direction to and from physical, virtual, and cloud for complete flexibility. With CBMR, you can schedule recovery simulations to ensure that your recovery processes will work when you need them most. Comprehensive reports are generated for each recovery job, which together with recovery simulations can simplify regulatory self-assessment for directives such as DORA in the financial sector and HIPAA in healthcare.
The automation and orchestration features of CBMR offer complete customization of your recovery workflow. For example, application servers can be configured to reboot in the correct sequence to allow for application dependencies. CBMR can also improve your cyber resilience. Following any cyber attack, systems can be recovered to isolated networks, providing a clean room environment for system verification or cyber forensics. With CBMR, organizations can greatly improve their operational resilience in the event of any disaster. Contact the Cristie Software team today to learn more about CBMR or our integrated recovery solutions for Rubrik, Cohesity, Dell, and IBM. Thanks for watching.